Welcome to the Edureka YouTube channel. We are your one-stop solution for all trending technologies. Here you get in-depth tutorials, hands-on demonstrations, interactive live sessions, fun animated videos and a budding community to learn and grow with on bleeding-edge technologies like AI, machine learning, cloud computing, DevOps, web dev, big data, cybersecurity and more. You also get career guidance, learning roadmaps and interview questions to help boost your job outlook. Now, the IT sector is estimated to reach $350 billion by 2025, which is 4 times the growth of other occupations. And you want a piece of this pie too. So a certification is a great way to show your credibility as a candidate. At Edureka, you get a curated learning experience brought to you by seasoned industry professionals in partnership with reputed institutes and tech giants. Not just that, you also get 24/7 technical support and lifetime access to the learning material. So do not forget to visit us at www.edureka.co to check out our online training and certifications. So what are you waiting for? Become a part of Edureka today. Happy learning!